Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Retirement Planning Unleashed. Secure your financial future. In today's rapidly changing world, securing your financial future in retirement has never been more critical. Retirement should be a time of relaxation, fulfillment, and peace of mind. Yet, achieving this requires careful planning and a deep understanding of the financial landscape. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the key aspects of retirement planning, providing you with the tools and knowledge to embark on your retirement journey with confidence. Before starting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. The importance of retirement planning. Retirement planning is a crucial aspect of financial well-being, often overlooked until later in life. It holds paramount importance as it shapes your financial security during the post-working years. Rather than leaving your financial future to chance, a well-thought-out retirement plan empowers you to enjoy the retirement you envision. It ensures financial security in your retirement years, enabling you to maintain your lifestyle without dependence on social benefits. This allows you to sustain your desired lifestyle, ensuring that you can continue enjoying your favorite activities and experiences. Moreover, retirement planning helps you prepare for rising healthcare expenses, guaranteeing access to essential medical care. By having a solid financial plan, retirement planning significantly reduces financial stress, offering peace of mind. Additionally, it allows you to consider your legacy and provide for your family's financial security, ensuring your assets are managed according to your wishes. In essence, retirement planning is not merely a financial task, it's a strategy for securing your future and enjoying a fulfilling retirement. Setting retirement goals. Retirement goals are personal and unique to each individual. They can include travel, hobbies, spending time with family, or pursuing new passions. Defining these goals helps you create a clear vision for your retirement and determine how much you need to save. Setting retirement goals is a crucial step in the retirement planning process. It involves defining your aspirations and financial targets for your post-working years. These goals can encompass various aspects of your retirement, such as the lifestyle you want to maintain, travel plans, healthcare needs, and legacy considerations. By establishing clear retirement goals, you create a roadmap that guides your financial planning efforts. This helps ensure that you accumulate the necessary savings and investments to achieve the retirement you desire. Your goals provide motivation and direction, making it easier to make informed financial decisions and stay on track to secure your financial future during retirement. Understanding your financial situation. Understanding your financial situation is a fundamental aspect of effective financial planning, including retirement planning. It involves gaining a comprehensive view of your current financial standing, which includes assessing your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This process helps you identify your existing financial resources and potential sources of retirement income. Determine the extent of any outstanding debts or financial obligations. Calculate your current income and expenses, providing insights into your saving capacity. By gaining a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can make informed decisions about your retirement goals and the steps needed to achieve them. This knowledge forms the foundation for creating a realistic and effective retirement plan tailored to your unique circumstances. Understanding your financial situation involves evaluating your income, expenses, debts, savings, and investments. It's essential to be aware of your financial goals, insurance coverage, tax obligations, and estate plan. This comprehensive assessment provides the foundation for informed financial decision-making. Retirement income sources. A secure retirement is built on multiple income sources. We'll explore Social Security, how it works, when to claim, and strategies to maximize benefits. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, 401k, 403(b), and pension plans. Personal savings and investments, IRAs, Roth IRAs, and other investment vehicles. Annuities and other income-generating assets. Retirement income sources encompass various channels that provide financial support during retirement. These sources typically include government programs like Social Security, employer-sponsored retirement plans, e.g., 401k. Personal savings and investments, annuities, part-time work, real estate income, dividends and interest from investments, and potential inheritances. Managing these sources wisely is vital for securing a comfortable retirement. Creating your retirement budget. Creating your retirement budget is a fundamental step in ensuring a financially secure retirement. Start by assessing your expected sources of income, such as pensions, Social Security, and savings. Then, itemize your anticipated expenses, including housing, healthcare, transportation, and leisure activities. Be sure to account for unexpected costs and inflation. Strive for a balanced budget that aligns your income with your expenses. If there's a shortfall, consider adjusting your retirement age, working part-time, or reducing discretionary spending. Conversely, if you anticipate a surplus, allocate it wisely, perhaps for travel or a contingency fund. Periodically revisit and adjust your budget as your circumstances change. Monitoring and fine-tuning your retirement budget will help you enjoy a financially comfortable retirement. In addition to income and expenses, consider factors like taxes and inflation when creating your retirement budget. Make room for healthcare costs, which can rise as you age. Account for debt repayment and aim to enter retirement with minimal outstanding debts. It's crucial to be realistic about your spending habits and priorities in retirement. Some expenses may decrease, like commuting costs, while others, such as healthcare, may increase. Planning for these changes ensures that your budget remains adaptable and sustainable throughout your retirement years. Lastly, consult with a financial advisor if needed. They can provide valuable insights, help you create a customized budget, and make sure your retirement plan aligns with your financial goals and aspirations. Investment strategies. Investment strategies for retirement involve planning and managing your investments with a long-term perspective. These strategies include asset allocation, which involves diversifying your investments across various asset classes to balance risk and potential return. Assessing your risk tolerance ensures your portfolio aligns with your comfort level. Selecting suitable investment vehicles like mutual funds or individual stocks and bonds is essential. Regular contributions to retirement accounts, periodic rebalancing, and tax-efficient investing help you build and maintain a robust retirement portfolio. Many individuals also seek professional guidance, such as financial advisors, to make informed investment decisions tailored to their retirement goals. These strategies can be tailored to individual goals and risk tolerance, and they play a crucial role in building and managing a retirement portfolio that meets your financial needs during retirement. Choosing the right investment strategy for your retirement funds is crucial. We'll explore asset allocation, diversifying your investments to manage risk, investment vehicles, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, risk tolerance, assessing your willingness and ability to handle investment risk, investment strategies for different life stages, tax-efficient retirement planning. Understanding the tax implications of your retirement accounts and withdrawals is essential for maximizing your retirement income. We'll discuss strategies for tax-efficient withdrawals and how to minimize tax liabilities in retirement. Tax-efficient retirement planning involves strategic financial strategies to minimize tax liabilities during your retirement years. It includes optimizing the use of tax-advantaged retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks, making informed decisions about Roth conversions, and carefully planning the timing and order of withdrawals to manage tax brackets effectively. Additionally, it may entail tax-efficient asset placement, tax loss harvesting, and leveraging charitable giving for tax benefits. By employing these strategies, individuals can maximize their retirement income while minimizing the amount of taxes they owe, ultimately preserving more of their savings for their post-working years. Healthcare and long-term care planning. Healthcare and long-term care planning are essential components of retirement preparation. Medicare and health insurance. Understanding Medicare coverage, enrollment options, and supplementary health insurance to ensure comprehensive healthcare access during retirement. Long-term care considerations. Exploring options such as long-term care insurance or self-funding for potential extended healthcare needs, including nursing home or home care. Healthcare budgeting. Estimating healthcare costs and budgeting for premiums, deductibles, and potential out-of-pocket expenses to maintain financial stability in retirement. Legal and end-of-life preparation. Establishing important legal documents like advance healthcare directives and power of attorney to make informed healthcare decisions in case of incapacity. Housing evaluations. Assessing housing options, considering necessary modifications, or exploring retirement communities that offer healthcare services if needed. Health and wellness. Prioritizing health and wellness through a healthy lifestyle to reduce the risk of costly medical issues in retirement, emphasizing prevention and early detection. Estate planning and legacy. Estate planning ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and minimizes the financial burden on your heirs. We'll cover wills and trusts. These legal documents specify how your assets will be distributed after your passing, ensuring your wishes are carried out. Inheritance and gifting. Planning how to pass on assets to heirs or beneficiaries efficiently, potentially using trusts and strategic gifting to minimize taxes. Charitable giving. Incorporating philanthropic goals by designating charitable contributions or establishing foundations to leave a lasting impact. Healthcare directives. Outlining your medical treatment preferences and appointing someone to make healthcare decisions if you're unable to do so. Guardianship for dependents. ensuring the well-being of dependents by naming legal guardians and providing for their financial security. Legacy planning. Beyond finances, it involves passing down values, stories, and life lessons to create a meaningful and enduring legacy for future generations. Conclusion. In conclusion, retirement planning is a journey that requires careful consideration, diligence, and foresight. By following the principles and strategies outlined in this guide, you can take charge of your financial future and embark on a retirement that is fulfilling, secure, and aligned with your dreams. I invite your questions and comments on retirement planning. Please feel free to ask anything you'd like to clarify or explore further. Thank you for joining us today to explore the intricacies of retirement planning. Remember that the journey to a secure retirement begins with knowledge and proactive planning. As you embark on your retirement planning adventure, may you find peace, fulfillment, and financial security in your golden years. What you think about our video, let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.